Hey, what's up? Good morning. I'm Michael Jackson. Juke. This is the Palmera. There, Palmera. Lots of Palmera in this street. Yeah, if that Palmera going big or large, I can. I'm trying to speak English, but because other. Lots of batola. Ako ang tahakot din nga batola. Ako na po hakot dito niya. Para ako hakot bato dito. Basta nakusgan kusog pa. Oh, that's our neighbors. Here. Nanay Aring. Nanay Aring. Yeah, this is my mom. What is in English masakwan? In English sa mamubo.
Plan. Water the plants.
So water the plants.
Water the plants ba?
Yeah, that's it.
Plants.
Okay, do something. Say something in your future dream. Oh, what?
Oh, this is my farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
my farm.
Maybe soon we will going a great.
I think you
Yeah.
can help me to water the plants here.
Got me. See? That's a Palmera. Even a simple art, no use of money. Look at the change. This is called in Tagalog kadaruhan, or what is the English of that? Kadaruhan. So farm kadaruhan din na takam guy. And then I changed it. It's a simple garden, beautiful flowers like these, like that, and this area. Oh, look at that. There is no use money, but you change a place, you change an area, going beautiful. That's my dream to make a beautiful place, a beautiful. What's this? Part. What's me? Say beautiful area, beautiful places, like
Kani ba?
like a resort. Yeah,
Mana?
yeah. It's
Street bang
finished.
kanang to ano ba?
Like the flowers are flowers. It's like it's beautiful if you're giving a video like this. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's a kind of an art. Yeah, one street here,
Kanang
flowers there,
banana plants. Oh,
plants, and I'm the one who plant that acacia. I think there is four acacia and two kuan. Tani two. I don't know. Yabas. Oh, I want to live here someday. If I have my uyab or my husband. Husband. Wife tay. Ako na. Bayabas ba yo? Kaon katot ke. O ta hinoguban pero mahurot gyapon na siya kay kuan na siya sa mga bata. Mga bata gyapon na siya. Then I'm going to art this area. Maybe if I have a time, because maybe I'm going to control my what's this? Say kusog kanang lakas. I'm going to control my strength. Yeah, that's it, strength to
ina nga.
to
I have to plan it to make a belt activity center dayon.
yeah, that's it. This is an art too. Yeah, maybe soon. There is no.
This is my landscaping, not
Yeah,
yet
that's
finished.
it. Yeah,
My landscaping not yet finished here. There are
Yeah,
many
that's
grasses there. Oh.
hope, and then this is not malabo in the video in the YouTube, because if it's malabo, patay na. Hindi malabo, maraming bato dito. Oh, yan. This is an art also. A big stone. And then you put a chair there and a simple art. And then a simple house. Kasi tawa na purok nga ka ng papahuwayan, mapapahuwayan. Rest home. Rest home. This area. Oh, yeah, maybe I can't. If when I'm older, I'm going to make this plant going through, because I love art. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this area. No, I love this area. No, I love this.
Ang mga prutas dong mo nang ipangmanak dong.
Oh, maybe this area. Oh, 5 minutes na. Bye-bye. This is an art
Katubang
also.
dong, katubang
Art.
landscaping dito dong, sky mito.
Manalag ito.
Oh.